When you need perfectly clean splices and connectors, look to Sticklers brand fiber optic cleaning products. A growing family of specialty cleaners engineered to clean virtually any fiber optic connector in any configuration in any location. In this video, we'll take a closer look at Cleanwipes all-purpose fiber optic cleaners and how they will give you perfectly clean fiber optics every time. The Cleanwipes are available in 4 package sizes, each with big cleaning capabilities. Use Cleanwipes to clean end faces on fiber optics, clean fiber sidewall in preparation for splicing, and you can also use them to clean inspection scopes and associated equipment, which is a common source of contaminated end faces. Low cost and long lasting, all Sticklers Cleanwipes are engineered for industrial users at the factory workbench and in field service toolkits. The Cleanwipes 400 and 3200 both make extensive use of static dissipating technology for unmatched cleaning performance. Other advances include the use of the fabric's modulus for improved cleaning performance, as well as a unique no-touch design that includes the color-coded clean slots to ensure maximum use of pristine clean fabric surface. The Cleanwipes 400 and 3200 are both similar in setup. The wipes are protected from contamination before use with a clear plastic bag, so it's important that you first open the 2 lids in the box by lifting up on the tabs and then remove the wipes from the clear bag. Next, free the first wipe on the roll by tearing the packing tape. Look to the illustration inside the box for assistance in how the wipe should unwind. Next, feed the first wipe through the single opening on the bottom lid, close the bottom lid, and then feed the first wipe through the opening on the top lid, over the clean slots, and back through the last unused opening on the lid. Close the lid, and you are ready to clean. Setup for the Cleanwipes 3200 is similar to the Cleanwipes 400, except as shown in this illustration, you have one extra opening in the top lid through which to feed the first wipe. Be certain to discard the plastic bag, as leaving it in the package will cause static charges to form and also hinder dispensing of individual wipes. Setup for the Cleanwipes 90 starts with removing the wipes from the plastic bag. Once again, discard the plastic bag before replacing the roll into the canister. Next, feed the wipe from the center of the roll and through the center opening in the lid. Make certain the lid is securely replaced and you're ready to clean. Setup for the Cleanwipes single pack is as simple as peeling away the 2 halves of the package. Start where the arrow is at the top of the package, pull it apart, and you're ready to clean. To clean, apply 1 squirt of the Sticklers fiber optic splice and connector cleaning fluid to the fabric over one of the colored Cleanswipe slots. Remember, for best results, use each slot only once. Next, gently move the termini from wet to dry and inspect. It's that fast and that easy. Using the Cleanwipes 400 is similar. Apply 1 squirt, gently move from wet to dry and inspect. It's that fast and that easy. To use the Cleanwipes 90, pull gently from the top of the fabric and carefully hold between the thumb and forefinger, with the fabric draped across the palm of your hand. Use wet for best results, drawing from wet to dry. Use the Sticklers fiber optic splice and connector cleaning fluid to ensure minimal static buildup. Remember, for best results, use each wipe only once. To use the Cleanwipes single pack, pull gently to separate the package sides. Carefully hold between the thumb and forefinger with the package draped across the palm of your hand. Use wet for best results, drawing from wet to dry. Use the Sticklers fiber optic splice and connector cleaning fluid to ensure minimal static buildup. And remember, as with the Cleanwipes 90, for best results, use each wipe only once. Remember that all of the Sticklers Cleanwipes are multifunctional. Use them to clean fiber optic end faces and termini. You can use them to clean fiber optic sidewalls prior to splicing, and you can clean inspection tools and viewing ports, which are a common source of contamination. Also remember, never reuse wipes. Contamination will transfer. Sticklers are easy to use and can be stored and transported throughout the world as non-hazardous and non-regulated. With a low cost per clean, Stickler's cleaning products are perfect for use in cleaning kits or in high production environments. When you need perfectly clean fiber optic connectors and splices, think Sticklers. Contact your Sticklers representative or distributor for samples or engineering help.